In today's video, I'm going to teach you clear formatting in Google Sheets. Reset cells to the default look. If your spreadsheet has gotten a little messy with bold text, colors, or odd font choices, this quick technique will restore a clean, consistent appearance without touching your actual data. Clearing formatting removes the styling, but keeps the values and formulas exactly as they are, which makes it perfect for tidying up imported data or standardizing a sheet before sharing. Start by opening Google Sheets and selecting the cells you want to reset. You can click and drag to highlight a range, use Shift plus the arrow keys to extend your selection, or click a column letter or row number to select it entirely. If you want everything in the sheet, click the small square at the top left corner where the row numbers and column letters meet. You can also hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac to select multiple separate areas if you need to clean up different sections at once. With your cells selected, go to the top toolbar and click the Format menu. This is where Google Sheets groups all styling options, including fonts, colors, number formats, alignment, and more. From the drop-down, choose Clear Formatting. As soon as you click it, your selection will revert to the default sheet style. That means no bold or italics, no fill or text colors, and no custom fonts or sizes. Number formats are also reset to the standard look, so values, dates, and percentages will follow the default styling again. If you prefer to work faster, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+ on Windows or CMD+ on Mac to clear formatting quickly. Shortcuts can vary by keyboard layout, so if it doesn't work as expected, use the Format menu option instead. Either method will produce the same result, a clean slate for the appearance of your data. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Clearing formatting does not delete your data or remove formulas. It only resets the visual styling. If you change your mind, you can immediately undo with Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+Z on Mac. And if your goal is to standardize an entire sheet, select All first, then clear formatting once for a consistent look across the board. That's it. Your selected cells have now been reset to their default formatting, and your sheet is ready for a fresh start.